What I want to talk with you about now is two issues. One, the page layout, vis-a-vis the margins and the page size and so on that you should set for Kindle publishing. We're going to go to the page layout menu up here in the header and go ahead and let's pick page size to begin with. You'll notice the page size is a standard 8.5 by 11 letter size. We no need to change that. If we go to margins, we'll see that we're set at 1-inch margins all the way around the page. No reason to change that in this particular document, but you should set that if you don't already have it set. I don't know what effects this will actually have on publishing. Probably none whatsoever when it comes to your Kindle document, but I like to begin this way anyway. The other thing that I wanted to cover is we've inserted chapter breaks into our novel. What happens if we have more minor breaks? Let's say between this paragraph and the next we have a scene break. We could put in, 3 blank lines to make a big distinguishing break between these paragraphs. However, many formatting tools will break this down to 1 line, and what happens if that 1 line of blank space happens at the end of a Kindle screen, which is very likely since Kindle screens are short. What we should do instead is insert something in here, and what I like is asterisk space asterisk space asterisk. Now the problem is that we type an asterisk and then we type a space, and what Word is doing is it thinks that you're doing a bulleted item, so it puts a bullet there. To undo what Word is doing right now, all you got to do is come up here and click the undo button, and there's your asterisk space and asterisk space asterisk. There's the rest of it. Now the next thing that we have to do is put our point on this line, our cursor, and right click. Up will come the paragraph formatting option. Now what we want to do with this paragraph, since we want it perfectly centered, is get rid of first line indentation by saying none, and then go up to alignment and say centered. Let's go ahead and apply that by clicking OK. And what's going to happen is that it's going to be centered. Okay, now that's the conclusion of this particular formatting chapter. The next chapter we're going to talk about the final formatting step.